What did we buy? Is this the reindeer? I really want the reindeer. What I want. I really, really want. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Whoopsie. What is that? No way is it supposed to be that small, guys. No way. Let me see you. Oh what? My gosh, you guys. Whoa, it is that small. Okay. Okie dokie. What color are you? Oh, nice. Oh, you look baby blue. Oh, boys, we got two. I'll just leave you. Happy holidays. What? We have rosemary or something? Oh, absolutely freaking not. Ribbon? Super small ribbon. I need some real elves. Wowzers. That's cute. This is... Wowzers. There we go. See what's in here. Show me now. It's like holly berries and vines. Mistletoe. Ah! Oh my gosh. Freaking pine cones and things. These things. Okay, let's see what's up. There's one more thing. I knew there was something squishy. Is this snow? Flocking powder, they say. Flocking powder, you say. Okay. There's one more thing. Oh, it's just the bow for the top of the ball that I don't use and a little brush. But in theory, they want you to go like this. And then I don't know what you're supposed to do after that. That's why I don't. Oh, it would have been cooler if it spun, guys. But that's okay, because I don't really... Oh, it can be an ornament, I bet. That's why it has a little hole on the top. Wow. Now that's a winner. Yeah, sincerely, these might be the dumbest directions I've ever seen in all my LIFE, because this doesn't make any sense or dollars. Dang. What in the heck are these little things even supposed to be for? Like, what? I still don't know what these are for. But here we go. Ay, ay, ay. I didn't even realize they were different size reindeer, even though the boxes are clearly different sizes. What? I don't love them, but it's the best I could do. I think this one got plummeted. I didn't even realize they were big and little. Do you think they're parent and child or partners or something else? Maybe she's the grandma. I don't know, but this one is my favorite. Oh, let's see him glowing. And remember how I cut the scarf to make two? Well, didn't work because I lost the other one. How can you lose it? I don't know. How can things disappear? I don't know. But these are cute decorations for the patio. I think they're coming in to get out of the snow. Looks like a lot got on them, and I don't know what to do. Pieces, okay? But, if you know what they're for, tell me. No idea, actually. No idea. Isn't it cute? It's not even dark, and you can see that it glows just a little bit. Do you like how I put the cherries up there? Or whatever they are. The holly berries? What do you think, guys?